Hi, this is Dirk from B&B Auto Sales, and we're going to give you a walk around video of our 72 C10. It was a truck that some local family restored probably about 10 years ago, maybe a little longer, and it's been sitting for a while. So we bought it, and I went through that shop. Pretty much everything works that I can see. We'll show you that in another video. There you can see paint still got pretty good shine to it. It's an older paint job, may even be single stage. So it's just an average paint job, not a show quality truck, but still a nice shape, especially for a 10-year-old job. Tinted windows, you know, a few minor scratches down here from just driving it some, but not a lot. I think if you've seen the pictures from, I got a little bubbling on the corners, but for the most part not really any major rust on the exterior. Here you can probably see some body filler. It's cracked right back here. They got a carpeted inside the tailgate, and then of course that hard cover, and they got the valance that they filled in. So kind of a neat look to the back of the trailer hitch. Like I said, for an older restoration, that's still very nice shape. This is probably the worst area, is right down there. Like I said, no big dents or scratches, so still a really nice quality truck. The interior we've done some work on, put a new carpet in it. Seats been restored at one time. That's just a little water from I just washed it. So you can see a little cracking. They painted the black door handles gray, and then of course obviously you can see the panels were white at one time. So a little bit of aging showing there. Got a little crack in that dash right there. Is an air truck, is a tilt truck, and then the best thing, it's got a 402 big block, decodes to a 71, 72, 402 big block, so appears to be the correct motor. So, any questions, you can give me a call, 605-695-7391.